area that is called Area 51 in Malaysia, as in it is in America. So we are going to create a short vlog. So we will explore each and everything. And there is also a twin charging. So because when I was looking with this equipment, I saw there is a twin. So I think we should go and explore. Let's see what's there. बंद कर दे। So guys, we will go through the woods. There is a forest here, and there are also monkeys, a lot of monkeys, and they have attacked many times on us. So we will have to be careful. You can see here. This is a magic. Oh, sorry. This route is really dangerous. तुम भी बात करो. So this is rocky place. मैं कर रहा था. चलो. So guys, you can see that I will take this lorry because it is so far from us. Let's take this lorry. You can sit over there. Hey, I'm just joking. It's not hard. So let's feel it. I think there is a monkey. So I think we should go inside this forest and we'll explore some things. It's looking very dangerous, but let's see what is inside. This forest is looking very dangerous, so I think we should leave because we don't know, there might be snakes here. It's very dense. I think the way is blocked, so we cannot go far from here. So guys, it is very hot today, so we could not go at our destination because it was really hot, and I was in a store because there's air conditioner here. So we have come here to take this nariyal pani, coconut water. I think it will be better for us to dehydrate right now. So we have bought this one. It is really amazing. It will dehydrate us. Now we are going to the apartment. This is our apartment on the left side. So we will continue, I think, at night. So we will create another thing and we will go another place. So just be ready for next part.